Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enroll or sign up for US bank account. If this sounds helpful, watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos such like this. Firstly, open up the website of US Bank. To do that, go to the search bar and type in usbank.com. After that, the official website of US Bank will open. Now, in order for you to sign up to US Bank, you will need to click on Create Username and Password. If you don't see this option, you can click on the Login option. Then a drop-down menu will open. Now click on this. Now you can enroll to US Bank using your savings or checkings account. If you don't have both of these accounts in US Bank, then you can also use different type of account, but checking or savings account is preferred. Or you can also enter in your card number. Then you will also need to type in your social security number. After you typed in, you can click on the show button to confirm it. Now after you fill in the information, you will need to click on continue. Then you will also need to provide your number or your email address to further verify your account. So this way you can sign up for US Bank account online. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with similar videos such like this. Thank you for watching.